Hey, I'm Cheryl with a C, and today I wanted to try on, swatch, and review two what are we calling this? Liquid lipsticks from Path McGrath Labs. This lighter one is Divine Nude here, and then the darker purple is Nightshade. So I'm actually wearing Divine Nude right now. When you put it on, it's very smooth and non-drying and really easy. And then on top is this topper, I guess you can call it, and it's called Bronze Astral Vinyl Gloss. So you can wear them both together or individually, and it'll give you different looks. So this is the look with both of them combined and layered. Okay, good. My microphone's on. And then here, let me swatch Divine Nude so you can see. And then the applicator is like a doe foot, but it's like triangle shaped. See? And it goes on really smoothly and pigmented and beautiful. And then I actually haven't tried this Nightshade yet. I actually just opened it and I dumped out the sequin so I could save it for something. But this is the Nightshade. And I was really looking for like a dark vampy color. So again, it's this triangle doe foot. And here's the swatch here. Ooh, I love it. It's almost like black, which is what I was looking for. I was actually going to buy one of the MAC lipsticks in Instigator, or I think, it's not Cyber. I don't know what the other one is, but Instigator's the matte version, and there's like, MAC also has a more not matte version. I don't think it's a shimmer, but anyways, this would be like what I'm looking for, and it's like starting to dry down, but you'll see, I mean, it is transferring a little bit, but I haven't given it much time to dry. And then you can already, oh, I wonder what this lip topper would look like on top of the darker shade. Let's try and see if we can get a sense of what it looks like on my hand. So, ooh, really, really pretty. So definitely recommending these liquid lips. Just like everything from Pat McGrath, they're very great quality. They are pricey. I can't remember how much I paid, but I'll try to include the information when I edit this video. But here you go. And then, again, this is the Divine Nude on the lips. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe and hit like before you go. Bye!